There's a lot that can get in the way of putting your products out into the world. Designing a store, mastering SEO, handling payments, creating ads, and so much more. So wouldn't it be easier to just skip all of that and get straight to selling? What's going on? It's Talish from Printify, and this is your full guide to our latest game-changing feature, Printify Pop-Up. It's the brand new way to go straight from creating original product to getting that first sale. With zero upfront costs, all you need to do is design, publish, share, and of course, profit. Here's how it works. Pop-up is the quickest way to sell your products. No need to set up an account on a marketplace or a website building platform. It all happens right through your Printify account. Log in and head over to the Store Manager drop-down menu in the top right-hand corner. Click the arrow, select the option that says Add New Store. At the top of the page, you'll find the option to launch a pop-up store. Go ahead and select that. Immediately, you'll be taken to a store creation page, which will ask you to create a unique name. It's important here to have a store name that's individual to you, and that's because Printify is about to generate a mini online store complete with a unique URL link. Your store is literally going to pop up on the internet, and you don't want someone else out there with the same name. Once you type in your name, you'll be able to see a preview of what it will look like. When you're ready, hit the Launch Pop-Up Store button to receive your shareable store link. As soon as you see the pop-up letting you know that your link is live, you can do two things. The first is to immediately start adding your products to your store. You can do this either by selecting items that you've already made, or by choosing a product from the catalog, designing it in the mockup generator, and finally adding it to your new pop-up store. The other option is to immediately preview your store with the See My Store option. Now, it's time to add all the necessary information to make your pop-up fully functional. Head back up to the Store Manager on the top right and select Manage My Stores. Find your pop-up store and click on the gear icon beside it. Here, you'll have access to multiple menus that can allow you to customize your settings. In Store Information, you can change your store name, add a logo, and add your social media links. And we'll be adding more customization options in the coming months, so stay tuned. The Payouts menu is where you can add your business, tax, and PayPal information. All the profits from your store, excluding taxes, will be paid to your PayPal account 2 weeks after the end of each month. In the Ship From Address tab, you can brand your packaging by adding shipping information. You can decide if you want your label to show where your business is located instead of where your product was made, and even add a phone number. In Preferences, you'll find options giving you control over order routing with print providers. This gives you the option to automatically send an order to a different print provider in your continent or region if your original provider doesn't have a product in stock. That way, you don't lose out on an opportunity for a sale. To select this option for you, click the checkbox. Order approval settings let you choose to automatically or manually send orders to production, along with order viewing, tracking, and email settings to keep you up to date with the status of your orders. Finally, Pop-Up lets you add Google or Facebook Analytics tracking links to your store page. If you want to run any ad campaigns, you'll be able to keep a handle on what's happening. That way, you can monitor your customers' habits and any other metrics you're interested in. Not only that, we even cover basic SEO so that your products will show up in Google search results. Once you've added your products and filled out all the necessary information, you're ready to share your store and get your first sales. And the best part is, it all happens without you having to spend a single dollar. In no time at all, you've begun building a brand, connecting quickly with your audience, not to mention, we handle all your order inquiries and customer support. Starting an online business has never been easier, and to make sure it stays that way, like this video and subscribe to Printify. Comment any pop-up related questions down below, and as usual, keep following us for more tips to finding success with print on demand.